Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong December 1 to 15, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Pisces, what's coming first half ng December? Chop wood, maaring kayo maglilinis or gagawa kayo ng mga mundane task, yung mga boring na trabaho sa bahay, or kailangan nyo na talagang harapin yung mga chores ninyo sa bahay. Pwede kasing mga nakaraan tinatamad kayo, no? So ngayon yung iba may general cleaning, you have message in a bottle, so merong message coming in sa inyo galing sa malayong lugar. Pwedeng ito ay abroad, kung meron kang in-applyan abroad, so may maririnig ka na update sa in-applyan mo. This can also mean a person na you are connecting with, magme-message sa'yo. You have chaos and conflict. So this is being true to yourself. I think you are realizing na mas maganda na mas maging authentic ka sa sarili mo, rather than, showing na parang, anong tawag doon? Sabi nga mas maganda na matanggap ka for who you really are kaysa naman matanggap ka ng ibang tao dahil sa ibang pinapakita mo na pagkatao. Okay, you get what I mean? You get my point, ganon. So you are embracing who you really are. You are parang mask siya na tinatanggal mo You are being true to yourself now. Your authentic self. You have the 3 of Wands. May namimiss ka na tao. Or merong person na namimiss ka. Malayo to oo. Yung ba sa inyo long distance relationship talaga. I also see you na growing your finances, growing your career, growing your business. Diba? 3 of Pentacles, 3-3. Some of you are also learning more. Pwedeng may mga inaaral ka ngayon, may mga bago kang pinagkakaabalahan para mapaunlad mo yung kaalaman mo, yung knowledge mo, yung skill set mo. Some of you are collaborating with others. Wow, puro Pentacles to. Queen of Pentacles, I think yung iba may leadership role kayo or leadership opportunities, may promotion sa trabaho. You have the 8 of Cups. Yung iba parang meron dito ipapadala sa ibang bansa. Let's say parang ikaw ay magre-represent ng company mo, or magre-represent ka ng organization ninyo sa ibang bansa. Or pwedeng iba magte-training kayo sa ibang bansa, or pwedeng sa ibang lugar na malayo sa pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo. You have the 8 of Cups and the Empress. Yung iba sa inyo, ipupursu nyo yung passion ninyo. Yes, I think kasi matagal na tong gumugulo sa isip nyo na gusto nyo nang gawin pero hindi nyo magawa dahil natatakot kayo sa epekto nito sa buhay nyo. Let's say, gusto mong magnegosyo pero natatakot ka. Pero laging nasa isip mo yan, yung pagnenegosyo na yan. Or nasa isip mo yung pag-create ng mga contents. Gusto mong mag-affiliate sa TikTok. Ay mga ganon. Or marami kang gustong subukan. Pero natatakot ka lang. Oo, natatakot ka lang umalis sa comfort zone mo. So ngayon, nare-realize mo na kung hindi ngayon, kailan? 'Di ba? Oo, with the Empress, this is about your creativity, your productivity. This is abundance. So, you are attracting abundance. The moment na malusaw ang iyong takot. Lusaw talaga Oo, kasi 'di ba, yung mga nagte-take ng risk karamihan, sila yung nagiging successful. Nilaban kasi nila eh, 'di ba? Oh, so ilaban mo rin 'yan. O baka kasi mag-regret ka lang. Sayang, 'di ba? So, it's time for you to take action, Pisces. Tapos biglang quick action, no? It's time for you to take action, quick action. Oh, meron kang wish na matutupad eh. The moment na mag-take action ka lang eh. Syempre, paano mangyayari 'yon kung hindi ka gagalaw, 'di ba? Ano nga ba yung energy ba 'yun? Yung tawag diyan, there is for every action, there is an equal opposite reaction. O, ganon. Something like that. So, syempre, kung wala kang gagawin, walang reaction. 'Di ba? Walang reaction ng universe sa'yo. So, you need to take that action. Okay? Uy, may travel talaga for you, Pisces. So, pwedeng this is travel for leisure, for business, or for work. Breaking free. So, yung iba naman, you are freeing yourself. Maaring umaalis na kayo dun sa limitasyon na yan. Hindi na kayo natatakot. Susubok na talaga kayo. You're going to explore your passion. Chocolate. Satisfaction. Treating yourself. Doing things right. O, diba? You're doing things right. You're going to do it the right way, Pisces. Yung iba sa inyo may celebration rin kayo because of the things na na-achieve nyo in a small period or in a short period of time. Yes, itong curiosity ninyo, yung pagiging curious ninyo, yan yung magiging dahilan para marami kayong matuklasan about yourself or mga opportunities, mga possibilities. Diba? Your choices. Maaring meron kang decision making na gagawin. The moment na makapag-decide ka, dun magsisimula yung pagbabago. Okay? Hanggat hindi ka makapag-decide dyan, wag mong asahan may magbabago. Diba? So, it's time to finally take action. Sa money, career, finances, you have the 8 of Swords. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo, itong decision making na to related sa trabaho, career, business ninyo. Ang daming fears, ang daming takot sa inyo. Oh my God, see? With the Death card, this is transformation. Something is ending. Something is ending in your career, by business, finances, sa work. King of Wands, it's time to explore. You're embracing the change, Pisces. Meron mang mga gumugulo sa isip mo or mga taong nagdi-distract sa'yo na, wag mong gawin yan, hindi yan maganda, or alam mo yon, minsan may mga ganyan na lalo na kahit hindi mo naman hinihinga ng opinion, na ikwento mo lang yung mga gusto mong gawin, pipigilan ka nila. And I think hindi ka na nila mapipigilan because this is a divine intervention, like parang you are meant to change something in your life, in your career, in your finances. Sa love life, 2 of Swords, Queen of Wands. You have a decision to make. Ang pipiliin mo rito, parang pwedeng pipili ka kung trabaho or career or love life, ganyan. Career or love life. Kung ano yung pupurso mo, alin yung papaniwalaan mo, alin yung uunahin mo. Okay. Take time to breathe out. Maaring meron kang pag-iisipan, mga desisyon na gagawin mo na bibigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo na maintindihan lahat bago ka pumili. At yung action na gagawin mo, dun lang sa moment na ma-inspire ka. Pag hindi ka inspired, hindi mo gagawin yung action na yon. Pag nakaramdam ka ng inspiration, motivation, yes, go. And look at the bigger picture. I think ngayon, mas nakikita mo yung ng mas malawak yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. You are seeing a different perspective. Okay? That's why you will be able to finally decide kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!